So what we will cover in this course, Linux administration with ANSIBLE. Let's trainer Mr. Hari having 12 plus years of experience. Before going to this, I will share. Yep, guys. So welcome to Durga Software Solutions. So this is the Linux Master Program on Linux Administrator with Ansible. So by Mr. Hari, 12 plus years of experience. Yep, guys. So myself, I'm Hari Cheruku. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect with 12 plus years of industry experience as a real-time and trainer. Okay. So I have done few certifications, guys. So I'm ITIL certified engineer. I'm a Red Hat certified system administrator. I'm a Red Hat certified Linux engineer. I'm AWS certified solution architect associate and I'm a certified Kubernetes administrator. Recently, I did the GitOps. So last week, I did the GitOps certification, guys. Okay. So what are the requirements to learn a Linux and Ansible? No specific prerequisites. Anybody who is passionate to kickstart their career as a Linux engineer to attend this program, or something like a developer and back-end developers, web developers, everyone can attend this program. Program knowledge not mandatory for this course. Graduates, undergraduates, back-end developers, web development, non-IT background people can also attend this Master of Linux program with Ansible. This course covers everything about the Linux from scratch, no prior experience required. Desire to reach your goals and dreams. So a computer with at least 8 GB RAM is enough, guys. Okay. So what are the we go cover in this course? So syllabus overview from module 1 to 10. So module 1 will discuss about the what is Linux, everyday use of Linux, Unix versus Linux. So module 2 will discuss about the Linux download, install and configure. What is a Oracle, what is a virtualization, what is a Oracle VirtualBox, downloading and installing the Oracle VirtualBox, creating virtual machine, Linux distributions, different way to install Linux, downloading and installing the Linux. So data installation, Linux VM management, Linux versus Windows we'll discuss. And third module will discuss about the system access and file system. So command prompt, so getting prompt back, accessing Linux system. So SSH, download and install putty to connect via putty. Okay, important things to remember Linux. Introduction to file system and description, file system navigation commands, file system path, directory listing overview, creating files and directories, finding files and directories, file code, soft links and hard links. So command syntax, file and directory permissions, file ownership, access control list, getting help. Okay, the Linux fundamental will discuss system administration. So all the commands will discuss about the system administration. So shell scripting, we are not discussing shell scripting on this, guys. We are discussing Linux with the Ansible, guys. So networking, servers and system updates. We'll discuss disk management and run levels. We'll discuss all about resume workshop, cover letter, and Linux job description or duties, exposure to the technologies. And we'll discuss about what is IT components, fact about IT, Linux around jobs, so Linux OS jobs, so IT management jobs, so apply for Linux jobs, and what expect of interview workshop, Red Hat certification. So we'll show you Linux community. Okay, we'll provide the 200 interview questions. All these will cover in this course, guys. All these will be covered in this course. So apart from this, what we are covering the Ansible also, right? So Ansible will discuss about. One second. How about the shell scripting? I will show you just a shell scripting. What is shell? How to run the shell in one example, guys. Because of this is before I conduct so Linux with shell scripting. Now more focus on Ansible because of the automation, right? More people wants to automation. So that's the reason we ended with the scripting and we started with Ansible, Linux with Ansible, Vijay. Yeah, encrypt, decrypt, file read, everything we'll discuss it. Yep. Now you understood, right? Trainer duration is 30 days, guys. 30 days duration and timings 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. IST. Okay. Classes will classes from Monday to Friday only. So what we will provide in this class, we will provide the note, class notes plus course material plus recorded videos. Recorded videos will share it via Google Drive. Okay. So what we will discuss in the Linux, I already told you, right? Apart from that, Linux plus that web server installation and deployment will show you. Web server Apache plus Tomcat will discuss. Apache and Tomcat plus deployment, deployment or release process plus configuration and configuration management tool. Configuration management tool. What is the configuration management tool, guys? Ansible. Ansible will discuss. In this class, what OS we will cover? We will cover the CentOS, Red Hat, Oracle, Amazon Linux. All these are same. If you learn anyone, it will be easy to use all the remaining Linux OSs, guys. All the remaining Linux OSs. So we will cover all these in the Linux. Guys, any doubts? Kishore, Krishna Reddy,
Sir,
Ratan.
timing is 6 to 7. It is not changed.
Timing is same. Timing.
Sir, because we
Sorry.
are working student,
Yeah,
how
yeah, yeah. Sorry,
timing is
sorry, sorry. The timings is 10 to 11 p.m. Guys, any doubts? Guys, Kishore, Krishna Reddy, Sachin, Raghu,
Uh,
Vijay.
timing
Yeah,
what
yeah,
is
everything
the.
good.
yeah,
So it is
Krishna Reddy.
possible to take a morning batch, morning, sir, before. The morning is it possible? Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
no,
is it morning
morning is not
possible? I mean,
possible here because of my work started at 8:30 a.m.
8:30. Okay.
8:30 a.m. my ST. Okay. I will work until 3 a.m. every day.
Yeah.
8:30 to
Okay, sir. We will decide, sir, timing.
Yeah, I'm giving supports also. So my day end with 3 a.m. Again my day will start at 8:30 a.m.
Sir, timing will decide.
Sachin,
हाँ
sorry, what you are telling?
हाँ nothing, sir. Sir, timing will decide. Sir, timing will I will confirm, sir.
Yeah,
I will.
yeah, yeah. I'm working hard. So continuously I'm giving supports to the US clients also.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. I will be taking the classes every day. From 11 to 3 I will be giving the supports.
Sir, you teach your DevOps also?
Yeah, I'm teaching DevOps also.
Okay.
Yeah. What
So
is
please
that?
give me your this LinkedIn profile. I will just search.
Yeah. See, right?
Okay, okay. Let's go. Okay.
You guys can send the request. I will. Hello, guys. Okay. I'm a GitOps administrator. I'm a CKA, Kubernetes, AWS, Ansible, Git, Terraform, GitLab, Docker, RHC, RHCSA, ITL, Argo CD, associated with DevOps. I've done these many certifications. Okay, all these certified GitOps, so Kubernetes administrator, certified associative,
Oh,
ITL, Red Hat, RHCSA. Okay.
yeah, Hari. For this course, will help for Postgres, SQL DB, and Kubernetes administrator.
Yeah. Postgres. Postgres will deploy the Linux, right? So we will
Yeah,
not cover Postgres anything in this because of that is a DBA administrator responsibility, right? We cover the Linux. If you know the Linux basic commands, uh, it will be very helpful to understand the Postgres as well as Kubernetes also. Kubernetes
okay,
will work on the only that deployed under the Linux machines only. And how you can manage that Kubernetes? You can manage the Kubernetes through CLI commands. So if you know the
okay,
Linux, it will be very easy to understand everything. Git,
okay.
Ansible, Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, that
Okay.
Postgres, everything.
For all these courses, for these commands will helpful. You are saying, right?
Commands will help you.
Okay,
The base, everyone, they designed their tool, they thinking the Linux as a open source, they used the Linux and they created their own tools.
okay,
Okay, so Linux is the basement for the building, build the building, constructing the
okay,
building.
okay.
Linux is basement. If you know the Linux, right, it will be very easy to understand everything.
Okay, that's fine. So, what about shell scripting? For
Shell
other tools not
scripting,
using for
I'm
shell
not covering
scripting.
in this course. I already told you, right? Before that, I
Yeah, yeah.
used shell scripting, but the people
Okay,
are interested on automation, Ansible, something like how it will work. So then we
okay,
started Linux with Ansible. But I will show you what is scripting. Any one simple example of the scripting.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah, okay,
you will understand. You will understand.
okay.
So nowadays, ChatGPT, Cursor, Windsurf, GitHub, Polar Palette, everything is there, right? Whatever
Yeah,
the requirement you have, you can just prompt it, then you will get the code. So use
yeah.
that code. Mostly 90% of the code will be accurate. That 10% you need to modify as per your
Okay,
requirement.
okay,
So if you are getting the errors, right, again you need to give the copilot how to resolve it. So then again they will give the accurate
Steps.
code
Yeah.
steps.
Sir, Hari, I have one query, sir.
Hmm.
Regarding Linux, in remote job available, remote job?
Linux,
Huh?
Linux nowadays we are not getting any job from Linux because of Linux. If you know the Linux, but multiple tools are involved, right? So if you know the DevOps, I can give you the support to you.
Okay. DevOps, I know, sir. And, I don't
You
know.
know, no?
No, 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 sir. Don't know, sir.
You don't know, no? What you are guys? So tell me about yourself. Just a brief, not brief, or just
Sir,
so
I'm
you are
working as
working as a
application support
developer,
engineer.
QA engineer,
No, sir.
yeah,
Application support, production support engineer.
production support engineer.
Sir.
Okay. So how many years of experience, Sachin?
More than 5 plus.
More than 5.
Uh,
Support means infra or code,
Infra, no, no, L2 support, SQL and Oracle. SQL and
SQL,
lines
Oracle.
also. Just I send you, yeah, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I'm working as a team lead. So,
Mm.
so now I want to change and
Yeah, yeah, nice, nice. It's a great opportunity to learn and anything. And DevOps, if you learn the DevOps, right? Nowadays, DevOps is very booming. So if you know the Linux, DevOps, so it will be very easy to get the job. Data engineering, data science, AML,
data
and the
science.
DevOps.
Okay, okay. In DevOps, how much course it will take? How much a month?
It will take 3 months to get the
More than.
get the
Okay,
knowledge.
okay. And what about fees, sir? DevOps?
What is
Fees.
fees? Fees you can
Uh,
talk to DURGASOFT team.
okay, 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 sir. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
The fees and videos related things you need to connect with the contact with the DURGASOFT team. They will decide. They will tell you.
Okay, 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 sure. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. We'll connect from tomorrow. No doubts, right?
No doubts. Okay, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah.